Separation of mixture and two immiscible liquids. Separating the components of a mixture. Heterogeneous mixture can be separated by simple physical methods like handpicking, filtration, etc. But special methods are needed to separate components of a mixture. Separation of two immiscible liquids. The separation of two immiscible liquids can be done by using a separating funnel. Activity. Take a separatory funnel and the mixture of diethyl ether in a separating funnel. Allow it to stand undisturbed for some time. The layers of diethyl ether and water get separated. Place a receiving flask under the funnel, remove the stopper from the top and open the stopcock. Pour out the lower layer of water. Close the stopcock of the separating funnel as diethyl ether reaches the stopcock.